Get out of here. I'm tired of this place.
Yeah, we had to go back home. It's not safe anymore.
Yeah, alright, Brian, you're driving? Yeah, Peter, what the fuck does it look like I am driving?
Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
No.
No!
We just
there
we just
yet?
arrived at the island, bro.
Oh my god, are you gonna keep saying that until we get back home?
Oh,
Yep. Are we there yet?
no.
No!
Ah!
Wacko!
It's Yakko, you fucking dumbass.
Hold on, I'll go save him. Wacko got me!
Teen, 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 teen.
Wacko!
Teen,
Wacko,
teen,
I'm
teen,
coming!
teen,
Guys,
teen,
I
teen,
got
teen,
plans.
teen.
Oh my god, who am I gonna save now?
Teen, 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 teen.
I got you,
Teen,
Yako!
teen, teen, teen.
Hey, come on, let's go!
Teen, 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 teen,
Damn it.
teen. Teen, 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 teen. Ah, oh, I thought I was gonna die.
Oh shit!
My back.
I can't
Oh my
swim.
God. Okay, everyone hold my legs.
All right. Teen,
I wanna
teen,
grab
teen,
the
teen,
rippers.
teen, 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 teen.
Let's see, what, was that a boat I just saw?
What? Get your ass back here! Oh, it's going back. Thank God.
Brian, wait! Oh, fuck!
What? Not again!
Go back!
Come back! Please, don't let us die here. All right, Peter.
We're coming!
Okay, yes. Yeah, okay, there we go. Ugh.
Wacko!
Oh, dang it.
Guys.
You guys stop. Brian, this is why you suck at driving. Hey, shut up, Peter. I'm trying my best.
Okay, how about I'll drive?
No, Peter, I'm going to drive.
Help.
Where is he?
I'm right.
Wacko's in trouble. Dee, 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 dee,
You didn't know how to
dee,
swim.
dee, 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 dee. Follow me, Wacko. Dee, 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 dee. Dee, 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 dee. Dee, 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 dee.
Oh my god, he's doing it!
Eh,
He's doing it!
He's doing it. He's swimming. He's swimming. He's swimming. He's swimming. Okay. Okay. Ugh. Okay. We're safe now? Alright. Can we go?
Yeah.
Alright, Peter. We like the course. The course. Stop singing that song!
Hey, you guys don't think Peter Griffin knows where we are, right?
Hopefully not. Hey, Jason. Yeah. Kick him out! Kick him out! Kick him out! Kick him out! Brian, where are we going? To the treasure.
Are we there yet? Are we
No.
there yet? Are we
No.
Are you serious?
there yet?
What are you doing,
Are
Brian?
we
Going to go
there
get the
yet?
treasure.
Are we there yet? Are we
Right
there
here.
yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Hey, Brian, are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are
We just got here, Peter. Shut the fuck up.
Okay, that was funny.
Shut the fuck up, Peter.
You Peter Griffin and Quagmire and Joe.
That's right, you guys. Yuck.
Peter, you're serious. What do we do?
No, Joe. Get out of here, Peter. All right, let's go home. Hey,
Are we
Peter.
there yet?
No.
Don't even start.
I stole your seat.
Fuck!
Hey, that's my seat. Why is Brian to be the one that has to be driving? Oops, wrong car seat. Alright, Peter. We're going to Shrek Island. What? Shrek Island.
Shrek Island? You mean far, far away?
That's right. We're going to far, far away. Off to find new adventures.
Oh my God. I always want to be donkey.
I want to
Are we
meet
there
them.
yet?
I want to meet Puss in Boots.
Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
Oh my god, shut up! Shut the hell up! I'm trying to drive! Can you all just understand?
Good idea. We should see the Shrek games.
Yeah. But I'm still mad that Puss in Boots and Bad Guys did better than us.
That's alright, Jimbo. At least it was a good year.
Yeah.
Sort of.
Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
Oh my god, we're almost home.
Are we there yet? Are we there?
You got to be kidding me, Wacko. Why you keep jumping?
Why do you keep jumping off, man?
I'm sorry.
Hey, no, don't leave me. What the fuck?
Brian, what are you doing? I'm driving
It's
the
just
boat.
like it's like the scene from Sonic Prime where Sonic is in an island.
Wait for me.
Jump. Oh my god, jump.
I can't.
Right.
Oh my fucking god, jump. Jump in the boat.
Okay, fine. Wacko, you have to keep pressing the jump button.
I'm trying.
Hold it.
Yeah, just hold it.
Where are you guys?
We're here. Get in the boat. Get in the boat. There we go. Fuck.
Go back.
This is the worst vacation ever.
Almost there.
Oh my god. You know, Peter, I don't care anymore. I'm leaving them behind. Fuck them.
No.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm gonna go get Wacko. Hold on, give me a minute. But if this happens again, I'm kicking you off the boat. I don't care what y'all say.
But I hear you have to calm your anger, man.
No, Peter, you motherfuckers keep jumping off the fucking boat.
Guys, where are you?
Wait, over
We're
here.
coming, Wacko.
Over here.
Finally, he's on an island.
Now hurry up and get in. Go.
I swear to God, if y'all jump out of this boat one more fucking time, fuck y'all. I don't care. Y'all are gone. I don't care what y'all say. You're all gonna be jumped off, and I'm not gonna do anything about it.
Are we there yet?
I wanna die.
Oh, we're not in far away yet.
That's the point, Scratcher. We are not. That's the point, Wacko. We are not in close away. We are far away.
Away.
Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
Wacko, if I give you this chocolate bar, will you shut up?
Okay.
Oh, thank God.
Thank you.
Guys! Oh no! Guys, we're about to run over Shrek! Ah!
Okay, what's going on?
Oh my god! We ran over Shrek!
Oh no!
Why is he sleeping on the bed in the middle of the freaking pool?
I have
Are we there
no idea.
Wow. Oh no! We gotta go save Shrek.
Are we there yet?
No!
Okay, help me.
Ah,
Got you, Shrek.
it's not
Hey,
working!
what are you doing?
Peter, I think I'm stuck!
Sexy Shrek, I'll save you that deep.
Hey, yo!
Oh yeah, that feels so good. I think I'm gonna.
Guys, we're gonna drown! We're gonna drown! Shrek, you're so fucking heavy!
Huh?
Shrek, you're so fucking heavy! Get out of my fucking boat, Shrek! Guys,
Are we there yet?
guys,
Too fat.
God, you're that fat, fatty. You're fatter than Jimbo. Hey, that's mean.
What the fuck?
What the fuck, Peter? What the fuck? You get my
Hold on,
fucking
I'm
moped.
coming. You guys can go. I'll be there.
Wacko, you're our savior. Ugh. Wacko, stop. Is that the Shrek statue?
I believe it is.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
Oh my god, what the fuck? Wacko, stop leaving us!
Oh, Shrek
I'm
is so
saving-
sexy.
Oh my god, Scratch Sniff, get in the car. We're gonna get those motherfuckers.
I'm coming.
Okay, hold on, I'm coming.
Let's get those
what's going
motherfuckers.
on?
You get out of my fucking boat, you stupid motherfuckers.
I thought you needed my help.
Wow, he's on the flying boat. Get them.
Oh shit! Wacko! You motherfucker!
Oh no, this is Titanic all over again.
Brian, I love you.
I love you too, Scratchy Sniff. I always had feelings for you. I'm joking.
Well, shit, what do we do now?
I don't know, Peter. They took our fucking boat. Wacko, are you sure it was a good idea? Are you sure it was a good idea that we ejected Scratch Sniff and Brian?
Well, to be honest, I don't know.
That was a good idea.
Is that-
of mine?
Is that Peter in Subway?
At the game. Why?
Oh no.
You spin me.
Oh no, Scratch Sniff, join back the game. I cannot leave you.
This was a good idea, wasn't it?
Yeah, no, it wasn't. It was the worst idea you've ever had, Wacko.
My idea? It was Hank's idea.
Hank isn't even doing anything. He's just holding a sword.
Oh, there they are.
Hey, Peter, you get your ass over here.
I'm not driving.
Well, yes, you are, bruh.
No, I'm not. For real, look.
Oh, I guess he isn't.
It's going by itself.
What the? Then who's driving?
Guys, I'm scared. Guys, I'm scared.
Stop the car! Stop the boat! I wanna go home.
I'm sorry, guys. I just wanted McDonald's.
Really,
What the
nigga?
fuck? I'm on top of the sheep and I see Humpty Dumpty and Luigi.
Sorry, I wanted McDonald's.
Scratch Sniff, jump off the bridge like Titanic. I'll save you, Daddy.
Okay, here I come.
Dang it.
Daddy, where are you?
I'm on the other side where Yakko Wacko. Oh, there you are. Ah!
Oh my god, I saved my hubby. What? You have feelings for Scratchy Sniffs, Brian?
Yes, motherfuckers.
You guys are gay. Alright, Peter.
Ah!
Alright, Peter, turn into your morph self.
Okay.
I am going to kill them.
No!
Wait, where's Wacko? Oh god, I guess it's the end, Hank and Jimbo. Meh. Why? Why did it have to end this way?
Wait for me.
I'm not even driving, look!
I know.
We're going in circles.
Come on, let's go.
Wacko, get on top of the boat.
I'm trying.
Okay, Hank, drive the boat.
Just letting you know, Brian, this is not my idea.
Yes, it is, you motherfucker.
I was just bored. I wanted to eat McDonald's.
You could have just said you wanted to go to McDonald's, not just eject us from the ship. No, Hank, come on, get the driver's seat. Oh yeah, Hank, get the driver's seat.
I'm sorry.
Hey, get in the driver's seat. No, Hank, no.
Guys, I don't know what to do. I think we're gonna crash.
Please, I want to get off. I hate this boat so much.
Wacko, what are you doing
I'm
here?
sorry.
Help! Somebody help! Somebody help me! I want to. I never. I'm sorry for every bad thing I've done.
We forgive you, Yakko.
Hey, Hank.
Oh, hi.
Guys, I'm
Wait, look at little
sorry.
Shrek.
What?
I saw a little Shrek.
What? There's no such thing as a little Shrek.
I literally saw one right now for some reason.
What?
No joke, I literally saw one running on top of Scratches.
Oh my god, you got from a little Shrek.
Guys,
Yeah, Wacko?
I'm stranded.
You're what? We're what?
We're underwater.
Brian, get the boat seat. I can't, Peter. It's so hard.
I'm sorry, guys. This is my fault.
I forgive you, wacko.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I don't forgive him. Come on, Brian. He's just a kid. Okay, I forgive
Yeah,
you.
man.
I was bored.
Well, maybe if you were bored, we could just go take you to McDonald's or Subway. Look, Peter Griffin's advertising Subway right now. Hey, Kevin Shonix, there's a delicious Subway food montage going right
Wait,
behind
didn't
me.
we made it back to the island of far, far away?
Well, we were until Wacko took over the ship.
I'm sorry. There was a McDonald's.
Brian,
I'm pretty hungry. I haven't ate anything in a while.
Peter, come on. Come on, Brian. You got this. I got this, Peter. Make the car stop. Wacko, get in the car with me.
Okay.
Okay, this is what's gonna happen. Alright, Wacko, this is what's gonna happen. So, how's your life, Scratch-a-Sif? How's your life, Jimbo? Hank?
I'm doing good.
I'm doing good too, man.
Ryan, I'm sorry.
Yeah, sorry, Peter, I forgive you. But we're gonna make this
Yay.
boat stop.
You know, I knew we should have been with Mary. We should have gone home by now.
That's why Mary's the best.
We
And
should
we
have
get, oh no, she has the thick.
Yep, the dicky and the brains.
stayed home with Rita and Mary.
That's why she has the brains and the thickness.
Then you help you with that thing.
Huh?
Let me get you cross your skull with that thing.
No, she doesn't do that. Nobody does the sit on my face joke anymore. That's gay.
I know. I'm looking at you, Kevin. I'm just,
Wait, did you just say candy?
no, Kevin.
We're in so much trouble,
I
aren't
don't really get your German accent, Scratch. Now shut up, Hank.
we? yeah, you just said candy. What? Oh my god, Peter! Brian, drive! I can't, Peter, I can't sit down. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my god, Brian's got it! Yes! No! Yes! Yes! Wait, no! Wacko, drive the boat! Drive the boat!
What's he even doing?
The boat's flying!
A boat that's flying again?
Not again! No! No!
Oh no. Wait, guys, it's an airship.
Wait, what?
Guys, don't leave me.
You're driving the boat! Drive the boat!
I'm trying. Get it.
Oh, we gotta go say Wacko. Oh, Pussy Boots, your favorite really is hero. Oh, you
Marco, we're coming. Literally, I'm trying.
Yo! Remind me not to see you around Wacko Scratch Sniff.
I was trying. Marco, you need to jump out of the boat.
No, you gotta drive the boat and bring it back here.
You got to be
I
kidding.
can't have got off.
You motherfucker.
Oh my god, Peter!
What the?
Repeat me, Peter. They're running away. I gotta go get them.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I always pick samurai bombs behind them. Don't just taste the smoke bomb and then they'll just get knocked out probably.
Ooh. It's a Humpty Dumpty boat.
Why the fuck does that exist?
Oh my god.
Why is it always there?
Yeah, why is it
Every
always
time
there?
we go, it's there.
Yep. Humpty Dumpty will not leave.
Now what?
I don't know. We're stuck in
What
this.
about we take that plane over there?
I'm not taking. Wait, a plane?
I'm taking it.
Oh look, there's the Shrek I was talking about.
Oh, hey Shrek. Hello, Dinky. It is me. Welcome to Shrek Island.
Can I make out with please, Mr. Shrek? I love you.
Okay. Just once. I don't want my wife Fiona to caught me.
Yeah. What the fuck?
I have no words, right, Jimbo? Yeah, I don't know how to feel.
2 minutes.
So, so my theory's correct. He's gay. Oh my god, I wanted to hear him say it.
No.
Let's party, everybody. Yeah, celebration now. Come on.
What are you, some Naruto fans?
Yeah.
Don't you dare call me that, Scratch and Snap. Don't you dare call me that.
Yeah, don't call us that ever again. That broke my heart, Daddy.
Okay, fine, I'm sorry. It's because you guys are like one of those people in fandoms that would say, oh my god, they're gay, they're gay.
Wacko, I got a question.
Yeah.
What happened to the boat?
Oh, I kind of let it go.
Yeah,
Jimbo, why are you wearing lipstick in the back?
Wait, what the fuck are you talking about? Hold on. What the fuck? There we go.
Ooh,
Where did you let it go from?
Out the map.
Out the map.
Out the map.
Out the map. How are we gonna get home? We're gonna be in Shrek Island for a few days until we have to make a boat.
And Peter Griffin are gonna kill us.
Yeah, they're gonna wake up sometime.
We're gonna use that cruise ship over there.
We cannot drive that thing. Plus, we cannot even get on that thing either.
How are we supposed to get on it?
Guys, I found another boat. Get in the boat. Brian, you're a lightsaber, man.
Can I drive it?
No, Peter, don't you fucking dare touch the pedals or the brakes or the wheel or any of it. You better not touch it. And if you touch it, Wacko, I will take your hat.
I'll get another hat.
Oh, what? I'll eat your Taco Bell.
Don't you dare.
Card. Oh my god.
We're not going on the short car. You simp.
Okay.
We're going home. We're going home.
Oh.
I really want to go home. It's been the worst days ever.
We're going home. Tell the world that yesterday.
Oh, all right. We're going home, right?
We're going home. Are we there yet?
No!
Where
No!
are we going, Brian?
I don't know. The car wants to drive itself.
We're going home. Are we there yet?
No!
Jimbo, you
Are
look
we
so
there?
bad. Are you
Hey,
okay?
Scratchy.
What?
Scratchy.
What, Wacko?
Can I play tic-tac-toe on your forehead?
No!
I want to go for a round.
Okay.
All right. I'll be X. You'll be O.
Okay, you first.
Yeah, take that, Wacko.
Oh yeah, take that.
Okay.
Take that.
Are those markers washable?
Hopefully. No, they're
Yeah. Are we there yet?
not. No, we're not even close to there yet. Wacko, we would have been there yet if you didn't drive the car and just go to McDonald's.
It was Scratchy's idea.
What the fuck, Scratchy Sniff? I thought I knew you better.
Okay, seriously though, where are we going, Brian?
We're trying to go home, but this car will just drive itself.
Are we there yet?
What happened to the yellow
No.
car? What happened to the yellow car? It broke.
Are we there yet?
Are we going to Oob Island?
I don't want to go to Oof Island.
Yeah, Peter, it's too bad. Is Shrek okay? We ran over him a few minutes ago.
He's fine.
I'm sure he's fine.
Hopefully.
Are we there yet?
Mikey, you broke my fucking legs.
Oh shit, we're sorry, Shrek.
Yay, Oof Island is normal now.
Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
No!
Are we there at Easter Island?
This isn't Easter Island, nigga.
I like the fact he yelled better with the N-word.
Shut the fuck up, you stupid nigga! We're not here yet!
Jimbo, why are you staring at us like that? Why are you so mad?
I feel like hitting you all.
Why?
Because you all ruined the vacation!
Oh yeah, well look at the Yakko is pointing at something. Even me and Wacko's just there happy.
Wacko's just staring at people with his tongue out. Brian is just looking like a rap star, pop star, or whatever.
Wacko, why are you staring at me like that? Are you going to eat me?
I love that song. Ooh, I'm gonna eat ya. Going to Scratch Sniff. Scratch Sniff, you look like the type of person that just got out of the bathroom and you didn't wipe your hands and then you had to wipe your ass because there was no toilet paper. And I was like, that's right, I didn't use my toilet paper. I used my finger. You wanna smell it?
Shut the fuck up. Man, this card is so lame.
I know, right? Sucks.
Guys, I got kicked out.
No, you're not. No, you're not, Wacko. Don't do this to us.
I'm sorry.
Now we're gonna die. Oh, he
I
disappeared.
didn't mean to.
He disappeared. Damn.
Man, for a glitchy game like Roblox, the graphics on the water look so nice.
I know, right? Look at that water. Yeah. Look at that nice little water.
Yeah.
This is the worst vacation ever.
I'm sorry.
It's sorry.
Apparently, if I pick up a baseball, I disappear.
That makes so much sense.
What about you, Yakko?
That's not so glitchy for me.
Hey guys, I'm on a cruise ship.
What?
Never
I
mind.
already want a cruise ship.
I really want to use those cannons and hit that dumbass cruise ship. Damn, why are you so mad, Brian? They ruined the vacation, especially Scratch and Sniff.
Oh, come on. I didn't ruin the whole vacation.
Yeah, he did ruin the
Guys,
whole.
are you guys gonna pick me up?
No. Because Brian ruined the boat.
Where are you?
We're stuck in an island filled with gold.
I'm in Shrek's Island.
Oh.
I'm stuck in the world.
Oh, man, we're just gonna chill in the car. So how's your life, Hank and Jimbo?
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's okay, but...
I'm on my way.
No, not that song! No! Don't you sing that song!
Aw.
I fucking hate that stupid fish!
Hey, what's wrong with Darwin?
He's annoying! He's like, yeah, I know my wig!
I'm on my way.
Stop singing that song!
I'm on my way.
I was years old.
Oh, hey Darwin, I didn't talk shit about you or anything.
Oh, I know. I'm just here because my super brother Gumbo won't eat damn crackers.
Yeah, fuck Gumball, he's an idiot. That's right, Gumball already eats crackers!
Scratch sniff, you're on top of the mountain.
Hey Peter, I'm on top of the world tonight. And no one ever has to hurt. Yes, I'm top of What?
Don't tell Shrek, but I crashed his car.
You what?
Yeah.
I think we should go check out. Everyone, get in the car.
Okay, let's go. Alright, shit.
Peter, are you driving the boat without my permission? What the hell? Oh, yes, Peter. I'm gonna get on it. Wacko, Scratch Sniff, I think you declared a war.
Oh, shit. No, let me just go get my car.
But you're driving his boat without his permission. And now look what you done. You declared war.
Fuck, I like to drive where's Brian anyways.
What? He's on the boat with cannons.
Wait, what?
He's on the boat with cannons.
Oh, shit. We gotta go back. He's gonna kick my ass.
And these guys so really suck at hide and seek.
I know.
We're coming.
You guys are coming.
Shut up. You stupid motherfucker. Okay, we made it.
Okay.
Hey, Brian, where are you?
He's not saying anything. Shh.
That's weird.
Shh. What? 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 Okay. Scratch Sniff. I want you to get off the boat for a second.
Okay.
Okay, just for 1 second. Drive by. Drive.
What the
Oh.
fuck? No, don't leave me.
No, boat. You know, Peter, I'm gonna drive the boat. No, don't drive it to the cliff. I was joking by my Scratch and Sniff.
So
Sorry.
am I gonna stay here further?
Wait, Brian, you weren't serious about the cliff, were you? I am serious about the cliff. No, we have so much to live for. Don't do it. No, man, please don't. No. No, Brian, please, we're sorry. No, sorry, it's not gonna help. No, Brian, we can talk about this. No. What happened, Scratch Sniff?
I'm back in the fucking club again.
Why is Scratch Sniff off the club?
I'm out. Yes, I'm free.
Damn.
Yeah, that was hella funny.
Yeah. Hey, Scratch Sniff, where are you? Where are you, man?
I was in the fucking club.
Wait, how did you escape the club?
I had to use the freaking rocket thing that was next to me.
Wacko, where are you?
Where are you guys?
Wacko, leave and rejoin the game and join this one.
Okay.
I'm gonna go find food. Oh, fuck.
It's mine now.
Ah, you get that back, you stupid motherfucker.
Oh no, not the club. Take me back, don't take me back. I need to get out of here.
Wow. This is amazing.
Ah, you're in the club again. And I found a spaceship.
Hey, are we recording?
Yes.
Oh.
How's the club, man?
I did the landing in the damn clouds, thank God.
Hi guys.
Yay, Wacko.
Akko, you cannot believe what just happened.
He got transported to the club.
Again.
He hates the club.
Guys,
What?
I can't move.
Because you're stuck in the club.
No, guys, I'm being serious. I can't move.
You're stuck in the club.
Good thing that's not me, thank God.
No, guys, I can't feel anything. Oh no!
Are you in the wrong game?
I disappeared.
I hate that spaceship so much.
At least I love it because it saved me from the club.
Wow, I'm invisible.
You're invisible, man. Really?
That means I can do this. Kick Scratch Sniff.
Hey.
Oh, my fucking balls! Oh, shit!
Did you just moan?
What? No!
You're like, no, my balls.
Shut the fuck up!
That means I can do this. He pulls Yakko's tail.
Ow! Don't pull my tail.
Hey, where's Brian?
He's dead.
Wait, what?
Yeah, you guys murdered him.
How did we kill him?
Hey, Peter, I'm just...
He left me in the sea.
Hey, Peter, I'm just invisible under the sea. Under the sea. I'm pulling water.
I can also do this. Pushes
Oh,
Scratch
Brian
Sniff.
is dead.
No, he's just under the seat. Under the
Oh.
seat.
Well, guys, I
Why
love
is he
being
under the seat?
invisible.
I have no idea.
I love being invisible.
Yeah.
I hate it when you are invincible.
Yeah.
That means I can do this. Kick scratch again.
What the fuck?
So you like that spaceship now since it saved you from the club?
Yes. Don't you even think about taking me over there again.
Why do you hate the club?
It doesn't let me out.
What else? What makes you hate it even more?
But easy, there's a weird gay alien robot thingy magic.
Ah, is that why you hate it?
Yes, and it's like a prison.
Great, get it, Scratchy.
It's fine. Wait, why are the others not going?
No reason.
I like being invisible.
Ah, damn it, you made me fall in the pool.
I'll help you, Scratchy. Right in my iced tea.
Wow, okay. Scratchy, no more video game. Scratchy.
I think you're missing an important character. I think you're missing an important character. Here, check it out. In the Animaniacs Wikipedia page, Scratchy Sniff's toilet is announced to be his own character.
Hey, yeah, can I go?
Why? What the fuck?
Have fun in the club, Scratchy.
You motherfucker.
Yeah, can.
Yeah, wacko.
Yeah, I use your phone.
Okay, sure.
I want to watch Bluey.
Okay.
You like
Yeah.
blue?
Yeah,
Why?
because I love it.
Why can't you watch something cool?
Bro, look at when you get over here, it looks like Humpty Dumpty smoking crack. Look at him. He's smoking
Dude,
spaceship.
I can see him over there too.
He's smoking
just looking at me.
He's
He
smoking.
thinks I'm sexy.
Don't worry, Scratch Snip. I'll save you from the club.
Please save me. Alright, Yakov. Yes. No.
Scratch Snip, I have one condition that I'll save you for.
Yes.
You have to say Yakko's a sexy god.
Yakov is a sexy guy.
Okay. Okay, get it.
Let's go. I want to get the fuck out, please. Yes! Yes, fuck you, club! Bring my nut. Yes! I'm free.
Hey, Scratch Snip, I got it on. Hey, Scratch Snip, I got it on recording. Here, let me play it.
Yeah! Fuck you, club!
No, not that one. Yakko is a sexy god. Yakko is a sexy god. Yakko is a sexy god.
I fucking hate
Man, I love the club.
I hate the club.
Bro, calm down. It's just a club.
No, it's not an ordinary club.
It's the club.
No. What? No. Oh, shit. Ah. Oh, okay, I'm safe. Ah.
Get it. Don't get it. Don't worry.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Haha, motherfucker.
Fuck. Where'd he go?
Yeah. I had to get daddy here.
Hey, if I find you, you have to get in the spaceship. Oh no. I'm in the club now. Oh.
I don't want to be in the class.
What's wrong with it?
You have to know why you wouldn't let me out of what's invincible.
I don't. Just because it won't let you out, your room won't let you out. Only one condition: a door. So you hate rooms now too?
Wait, what? No. Ah!
Get in.
No. I'm scared.
we're not going to the club. We're going behind the club.
Oh, okay, what the fuck?
Go behind the club. Not the club. Behind the
okay.
club.
Ah!
Oh, man, I dropped him. Dr. Sniff, I want you to go on top of the club and get in my spaceship.
I don't want to go.
You're not
Fine.
going in the club. You're just going to get in the spaceship.
Okay, I'm in the club, but I'm not in, so that's a good thing.
I'll help you, Scratchy. My iced tea.
What do you mean by that?
I don't know. Aquatic Neptune reference, man.
I know, but it's so gay. Haha, stupid robot, I'm not in your gay strip club.
Why do you hate the robot, man?
He's the reason why I'm here.
You're so mean to him. Get underwater, Scratchy.
He was a little now.
Merry Christmas and subscribe.
Really? It's not Christmas.
Yes, it is.
It's not Christmas.
Oh, man. Every time when I sing Christmas songs, it always screams, "It's not Christmas." Hold on, let me test it out.
It's not Christmas.
Oh, man.
It would only work if it is Christmas.
Oh. I hate you, Club. I hate you, Stomach.
See, I told you the crab is evil.
You're just like Chicken Little. He's like, oh, the sky is falling.
Hank and Jimbo didn't even do anything. They're just
No,
there.
you're just like Chicken Little. The chicken that goes like, the sky is falling.
Shut the fuck up. I'm nothing like that motherfucker. His girlfriend is so ugly.
Yeah, look at his big ass teeth. Looking loud looking ass bitch. Oh, Scratch, get in the spaceship. I promise I won't put you in the club.
Okay, I hope I won't be in the club. Hey,
Alright.
where are you going? Somewhere.
Okay.
How about I drive it?
No.
Fine.
Alright. Fuck!
You keep driving forward. Oh my god.
Alright. Okay, for real this time, man.
Try to drive somewhere else. Now you're in the club.
Oh, fuck you.
I'm free.
Wait a
I'm
minute.
free.
Click to interact. I could get the robot.
What the fuck?
That's expensive. I'm in the robot's game. I'm out of the club.
Oh.
You looks like I'm the luckiest, and you're the unluckiest.
Where'd you go?
Back to the club. Now that makes you a loser, Scratch Stiff.
Shut up, Jimbo.
Wait, what the fuck?
What?
I just saw a big wacko.
A big wacko? What do you mean?
A big ass wacko. Follow me.
Where? Where are you?
I'm in the place where you get the replicas of me.
Oh, hold on.
Wait, you're in the club again, are you?
No, I'm on top of Humpty Dumpty. Hold on.
Humpty fucking big ass Dumpty.
Yes. Okay, where's the giant wacko? Where's the giant wacko?
Follow Jimbo.
Oh, giant Jimbo?
Follow Jimbo, you idiot.
Oh. What the fuck?
Look at him, he's huge.
Hey guys, you like my new look?
What the fuck?
What happened to you? I have no idea.
Oh no, he's huge.
That's a huge beach.
Don't call my brother a bitch.
It's a giant me.
Don't call my brother a bitch, you man. You build out the science guy, motherfucker.
I'm going to run in the way.
Oh, like those sad people. There is so the way he looks at me. I'm joking.
I'm going to sing my song. I get you done.
Different time in mind, I'm left behind, wondering if I should follow. Got to go, see if actually falling apart.
But when I am, but tomorrow I am one.
What the fuck?
And now I lost in the war.
You're gay, scratch and sniff.
I'm actually bisexual.
That makes sense because you were making out with Shrek.
And you had a kid with Squidward.
Yeah, SpongeBob. Yeah, you used the Papa Baby machine.
Yeah, he didn't use it without my permission.
Shut up, Cody. No one likes you.
Dorothy Wacko, why are you so big?
Yeah. He's huge, man.
And where's Hank?
He's drowning in the water.
Oh shit.
Not it. I'm not saving him.
Not it.
Dude, oh, god damn it. Now I gotta go save him. Oh, bro. Bro, I always have to save. Bro, I always have to save Hank.
I so fucking die!